name is Salwa Petersen, and I am delighted to welcome you in this fourth video where I'm answering everything you ever wanted to know about Chebe. So let's get started. How is Chebe applied? So to apply Chebe, you need three things. So you need the Chebe powder itself, you need some oil or some cream. I have here in a little, is it cute? I got it from my aunt. I have some of the traditional butter, the cow butter. That's quite strong, the smell, and it's used for hair. And but you don't have to use this. You can use just a cream or and if you plant-based, this is actually an animal-based product, so you can just use something like shea butter or coconut butter or a cream and your choice of oil and water. So you need three things. So you need the powder, you need the cream / oil and water, and then you have to alternate between water, the cream / oil and the powder. So as you can see, it's something that's very highly evolved. I find it really sophisticated as a ritual, and at the same time really simple to follow those steps, because then you really lock for maximum moisture in your hair, and then you braid it like the women are just doing here in the video, and you can lock the moisture away. So that's how Chebe is applied. Is Chebe applied everywhere in the hair? Yes. Chebe is applied everywhere in your hair. You apply it from your root all the way to your tips. So, and you really soak it. You really go through it like all the steps as we saw previously, with the powder, the water, the cream, and you really soak it. You just have to be careful not to leave it on your scalp. The reason being that you don't want to have buildup on your scalp, because then it would get itchy and it's not the most conducive for healthy hair growth. How long is Chebe left on hair? So Chebe is a leave-in, traditionally used in Chad, that you just leave on your hair. You don't actually remove it. And we reapply Chebe every twice a week about. So every 3 to 5 days you reapply Chebe, so about twice a week. You can apply it more. I have definitely seen some of cousins applying it more. But then the question is, it might not be adapted to your lifestyle. So then you can rinse it off, of course. But the traditional way is to leave it on. What are the benefits of using Chebe? So the main benefit of using Chebe is to retain your hair length over time. So you really want to use Chebe if your objective is to have long hair. So it really locks in moisture and it stops your hair from breaking. So over time it gets longer and longer. Can Chebe be used for children? Chebe is used for children in Chad. I've seen children as young as 5, 6 using Chebe. But again, it's really up to you if you want to use it for your children. You just have to see if it's okay with them to use it and go to school with their hair in Chebe or not. Or you could just use it as a rinse off. Does Chebe make hair grow? So Chebe does not make your hair grow. Your hair grows from your scalp. It's growing over time. The question is, how much of it you're retaining? So I hear so many women complaining about, oh, my hair doesn't grow, my hair doesn't grow, my hair doesn't grow. But in fact, your hair grows, but it's just that you're not retaining the length over time. So what Chebe does is it comes in and helps you retain all the hair that you're growing. So you don't actually break your hair, and then over time you have longer hair. So that's what Chebe does, but it does not grow your hair. Your hair naturally grows out of your scalp every day. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to answer more questions in my next video. And if you are enjoying this video and want to know more about everything you ever want to know about Chebe, please make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel and turn on notifications. And remember to leave a comment with any more questions that you may have, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Please also feel free to link up with me elsewhere on the internet, on my other social media, Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter. All links will be in the description. And if you have any questions, of course, send me an email or leave me a comment down here so more people can also take advantage of the answers. And yeah, so take good care
and I will see you very soon.